In the last video, if you've watched it, I talked about why most investors are losing money. Today we take a deeper look into why that is, as we take a look at the market cycle of emotions, and we're talking about each phase in that cycle. Let's get right into it. What you have on the screen now is what's called as the market cycle of emotions. And what I want to do actually here is, instead of starting at the beginning, let's start towards the end of it, and then we'll make a full circle. Dismay or disbelief. Here, investors believe that the rally will fail. Things are just not real. It cannot go up, it's gonna go right back down. Next is hope and then relief. Here the investors are like, we actually gonna go up. Things are possible. Then we go into optimism. Here investors are like, you know what? I actually believe this. We are going up right now. Then we go into enthusiasm. People are like, all right, let's go right back into the market. Then we have exuberance and thrill. People here become vocal about it and they tell everybody left and right, you should buy right now. You should get into the market right now. Then we go into euphoria. People here believe they are geniuses. Now they start projecting how much money they're gonna make next month, how much money they're gonna make next year, and they think they got it all. We know it all. Then we have the very top, or maybe slightly over the top, where there is a little pullback. And here people are believing that, you know what, we're gonna get right back up, we're gonna make a new high, we're gonna reach the next high. Then anxiety kicks in and people here is like, hold on a second, hey, what's going on? This might be real. Next is denial. Here people, they just don't believe that the stock market is going down, and they tell themselves, you know what, I am a long-term investment. No matter what happens, I will stay right in. Let's look at fear, despair, and panic all together. Now investors are thinking that, you know what, it may be best to just get out and stop the bleeding, save the little that we have now, and just get out. Now we have capitulation. Here, more and more investors are exiting, are selling out. They are stopping the pain, they are stopping the bleeding, and are saying, you know what, I am out of here. Next we have discouragement. Here investors are like, what have I done? I have lost everything. Why did I not exit earlier to secure those profits? And then we get to the very bottom. This is the best time to enter the market, but by this time most day traders, most investors are out. Then is rinse and repeat. We're right back following this market cycle of emotions. If you're still with me, thank you very much, and would definitely appreciate if you like and subscribe so we can reach more and more people. To avoid following this market cycle of emotions, what I would suggest is to pick long-term, good index or mutual funds, and you will definitely stay out of this cycle of emotions and you will be a winner in the end. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.